In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PowerPoint presentation onto your desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where your file is stored and how to choose the right format for your needs, all without any confusion. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to save. If it's already open, take a quick moment to make any last edits. It's a good habit to glance through your slides and ensure everything looks the way you want before you save, so your file reflects your latest changes. Next, head to the File tab in the top left corner of PowerPoint. This takes you to what's called the Backstage view, where you handle things like saving, exporting, and printing. It's the control center for anything you want to do with the file itself, rather than the content on your slides. Choose Save As. This option is especially helpful when you want to pick a specific location or create a copy without overwriting your original. After selecting Save As, click Browse. This opens the File Explorer window where you decide exactly where your presentation will live. In the File Explorer, find and click Desktop in the left-hand panel. Saving to the desktop makes your presentation easy to spot and open later without digging through folders. If you organize your desktop into folders, you can select one of those too, but saving straight to desktop is a fast and clear choice. Now give your file a meaningful name. Use something descriptive so you can identify it at a glance, such as the topic or date. Avoid special characters that might cause issues, and consider adding a version number if you plan to create multiple drafts. Before saving, you can choose a file format if you need something other than the default. PowerPoint presentation PTX is the standard and keeps everything editable. If you're sending the file for viewing only, you might choose PDF. If you want to share a recorded slideshow, you could select a video format. Keep in mind that changing formats can affect editing later, so choose what best fits how the file will be used. Finally, click Save. PowerPoint will place the file on your desktop in the format and name you selected. You can confirm by minimizing PowerPoint and looking for the new icon on your desktop. From there, it's ready to open, share, or back up. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.